Yeah?
What's going on? You can't hide at your sister's forever.
Yeah.
Can you please call your dad? He's worried about you.
The phone works both ways.
Call him.
I will, alright?
Alright, speak soon. Bye.
Hey, Lamar. Can I come in? I know I'm probably the last person you want to talk to right now, but your mum called me to see if you're okay.
Fair enough. Guess you can't say no to that.
So you're okay?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, I'm good. Family's good. Everything's good. See, you've still got that photo of us from Black Friday as your home screen.
Yeah.
What day that was? You know the guys really miss you. It's been a while since we all hung out together. Are you sure you're okay?
Don't.
Because
Don't get me to confess when I say everything is fine.
that's not fair, Lamar.
Life's not fair.
You disappear. You stop answering our messages. Then your mum calls us to see if you're okay. What do you expect me to do?
Why should I expect anything? You were not there when I needed you.
What are you talking about, Lamar?
Can you please go?
Lamar? Lamar, what's up? Did something happen? No, it's okay. It's okay. Who knows?
Just so you know.
Have you told them?
No, I don't think so. I want to keep it to myself.
You say that, but what has gotten you so far?
Please, not now, no.
Why didn't you tell me? Or anyone when it happened?
I don't know. And as things got worse, I just wanted to be left alone. At the moment, I wanted to tell you, but you weren't there, so I just thought, never mind.
I'm here now.
I know. Look, I know you said that you have someplace to be after, but is it possible you can stay the night? Please?
Right here is the only place I need to be.